My dear gardeners, before we reveal this powerful secret for healthy, strong, and fruitful tomatoes, I invite you right away subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell because the best tips from the world of gardening are waiting for you here. And now, imagine this, you go out into the garden one morning, and in front of you beautiful, juicy fruits, dark green leaves, strong plants full of life. No chemicals, no purchased fertilizers, just with the help of one natural secret. What I am revealing today may sound incredible, but once you try it, you will never go back to the old methods. This is a natural elixir that plants love. It strengthens them, protects them from diseases, and stimulates fruit growth like never before. And now, I ask you, have you ever used natural methods for plant nutrition? If so, leave in the comments. And if you haven't, be sure to stay until the end, because you will get a simple recipe that will change the way you grow tomatoes. Nature is a perfect system. It gives us everything we need. We just need to know how to use these gifts. Today, revealing a secret supplement that strengthens plants and makes them more resistant to diseases, repel pests and prevent rotting, encourages flowering and fruit development, helps tomatoes absorb nutrients from the soil. This simple trick is used by experienced gardeners, and now, it's time for you to find out what it's all about. We bring you the secret recipe for healthy and yieldful tomatoes. And now, we come to the part you've all been waiting for. Recipe: 2 tablespoons of dried chamomile flowers or 2 filter bags, and 1 liter of boiling water. Pour boiling water over the flowers and leave for 15–20 minutes. Strain and let the tea cool to room temperature. Dilute it with another 4 liters of water. How to use: water your plants with this tea once a week, directly at the roots. You can also use it as a natural foliar spray. Simply pour it into a spray bottle and spray your plants in the morning or evening. The result? Healthier tomatoes, free of disease, and with more fruit than ever.
Have you ever wondered how to get tasty, healthy, and disease-resistant tomatoes without using artificial fertilizers? Stay with me until the end of the video because I will reveal to you the completely natural secret to a huge tomato harvest. There is an incredible trick used by experienced gardeners that can do wonders for your plants. What is your secret to perfect tomatoes? Write in the comments, and if you like natural methods, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell for more tips. Tomatoes are one of the most beloved plants in every garden, but in order to give maximum yield, they need something special. Something that will help them develop strong roots, disease resistance, and juicy fruits that do not crack. Have you noticed that tomatoes often suffer from fungal infections, irregular growth, and poor taste? That is why experienced gardeners use a natural formula that solves all these problems. This method strengthens the plant, improves the absorption of nutrients from the soil, and gives the tomatoes a full, rich flavor. Not only will you get healthier tomatoes, but the plant will be more resistant to weather changes and pests. And here is the promised recipe. All you need is baking soda and chamomile tea. Make chamomile tea by pouring 2 bags or 2 tablespoons of dried chamomile with 1 liter of boiling water. Chamomile tea is a natural antiseptic that strengthens the plant. It improves the absorption of nutrients from the soil. It helps tomatoes resist stress and weather changes. Leave the tea to cool. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the tea and mix well. Baking soda helps protect against fungal diseases. It slightly alkalizes the soil, which improves fruit development. It prevents cracking and rotting of tomatoes. Water the tomatoes with this solution once every 10 days, at the root or by lightly spraying the leaves. The result of this feeding is healthier tomatoes, stronger plants, and a record harvest. Try this simple and natural top dressing and enjoy juicy, healthy fruits. If you liked the video, be sure to leave a like and share it with your gardening friends. See you in the next video. May your garden flourish.
Hello, gardeners! Have you heard of a trick that uses a common kitchen ingredient, cornmeal, to prepare your soil for planting? If you want healthy and strong tomato, pepper, and cucumber plants, this step is a must. Stay with me until the end of the video to learn why cornmeal is so important and how to use it properly. Are you already preparing your soil for planting? Write to us in the comments and share your tricks for the perfect garden. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural gardening tips. Why add cornmeal to your soil? Cornmeal has several incredible benefits for your garden. A natural source of nutrients, cornmeal contains minerals that are gradually released into the soil and feed the plants as they grow. Cornmeal can help reduce the population of certain pests and fungi that attack young plants. It acts as a natural activator for beneficial microorganisms in the soil, which is essential for healthy root development. How to use cornmeal? Here's a simple procedure. Before planting pepper, tomato and cucumber seeds, sprinkle a thin layer of cornmeal on the soil, about a handful per square meter. Gently mix the flour into the top layer of soil to evenly distribute it. After that, plant the seeds as usual and water them. This simple step will give your plants an ideal start and make them more resistant to external challenges. And there you have it. A common kitchen ingredient like cornmeal can make a big difference in your garden. Try this method and let us know the results in the comments. If you liked the video, press like and subscribe to our channel for more natural tricks and tips. Thank you for watching, and may your garden be rich and successful this year. See you soon.
Welcome to our guide on February planting. As the winter chill begins to fade, it's the perfect time to start planning your garden for the year ahead. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just getting started, we've got some great tips and plant recommendations to help you make the most of this transitional month. Let's dive into our list of the top plants to consider for February. First up, we have pansies. These vibrant flowers are not only beautiful but also hardy enough to withstand the remaining cold days. They add a splash of color to any garden and are a wonderful choice for early planting. Next, consider planting sweet peas. Known for their delightful fragrance and delicate blooms, sweet peas thrive in cooler temperatures and can be started indoors or sown directly in the ground as the soil begins to warm. If you're looking to add some greenery, try spinach. This nutritious leafy green is easy to grow and does well in the cool temperatures of February. It's perfect for those who want to enjoy fresh, homegrown produce early in the season. For those interested in herbs, parsley is a fantastic option. It's a versatile herb that's great for cooking and does well when planted early in the year. Plus, it's a biennial, meaning it will last for 2 years in your garden. Finally, consider planting bare root roses. February is an ideal time to plant these as they establish roots before the growing season kicks in. Now that you know what to plant, here are a few gardening tips to ensure success. 1. Prepare your soil by mixing in compost to enrich it and improve drainage. 2. Pay attention to the planting depth and spacing requirements for each plant to give them room to grow. 3. Keep an eye on the weather and protect your plants from unexpected frosts with covers or cloches. 4. Water your plants adequately, especially if there are dry spells, but avoid overwatering. In summary, February offers a unique opportunity to kickstart your garden with a range of plants that thrive in cooler conditions. By choosing the right varieties and following these simple tips, you'll set your garden up for a successful growing season. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.